Hey guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the TikTok trend album cover tutorial using CapCut template. So if you notice that like few days back there is a new trend, the proof that not everything can be an album cover, and the video should go like this. So you put a random video, then it will capture your video into an album cover like this. So basically you don't need to worry to make this video. It's actually pretty easy. You can just use you can just find the album cover on TikTok, and then here you'll see there is a button, CapCut try this template. So you can just click on that button and it will direct you to the CapCut template, and you can just click on the use template in CapCut. Okay, use template again. Then you can just start by adding like some random video or anything that you want. Okay, I'm going to go like this. Then after that you can click on preview, and CapCut will loading the effects. Okay, so here is the preview of the album cover video, and if you like with the result, you can just export and then you can upload it to your TikTok account if you want. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.